Today, we dive deep into the world of real estate, providing you with all the insider tips and legal know-how to navigate the market confidently. Today, we're tackling a crucial aspect of selling your home that can often be overlooked, but is vital for a smooth and transparent transaction: seller disclosures. The specifics vary state by state, but most states, including ours, require some type of seller disclosure. The goal is to add transparency to the transaction. In this disclosure, a seller provides written information about known things that can impact the property's value. HOA information. If the home is located within a homeowners association, you should disclose that fact. Associations generally impose monthly fees on homeowners, and they can impose rules on their membership that a prospective buyer might or might not find acceptable. You also need to know about the HOA's financial health and provide this information to the buyer so they can make an informed purchasing decision. Repairs. If your home has major structural issues, you have to disclose them to a potential buyer. In addition to repairs that need to be made, you must also disclose repairs that have been completed. Buyers need to know the home's repair history so they can have their home inspector pay extra attention to problem areas. You may also want to disclose electrical or plumbing repairs and any other problems you would want to know if you were purchasing the home. Federal seller's disclosure requirement. If your home was built before 1978, federal law requires that you disclose that the property may produce exposure to lead from a lead-based paint. It was federally banned from consumers' use during that year. Sellers of homes built before 1978 must also provide buyers with an EPA pamphlet titled "Protect Your Family from Lead in Your Home." Then they must give buyers 10 days to conduct a paint inspection or risk assessment for lead-based paint and include a lead warning statement in the contract. The key thing to remember about disclosures is that when in doubt, disclose. Failing to disclose something you were aware of beforehand could lead to a messy legal situation. My lawyer always says you don't get sued for what you disclose. It's what you don't disclose that gets you in trouble. If you have any further questions about what you need to disclose when selling your home, or anything else related to real estate, don't hesitate to reach out to me, Miguel Garanza with RE/MAX Platinum, the Spotlight Home Team.